Looks like the lights finally came in. That's basically what you get for 11 bucks. There's the colors you get in, I'm guessing. How many strings here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length. And they say you can cut it every second LED, which you can actually see a little resistor in there, so you can probably cut it there, there, or there, in between the LEDs, or the resistors. It's epoxy to rubberized pretty good, so it's not going to leak. Some people complained about the sticky backing. I honestly don't care for it. I usually glue it myself in a way that will stick better. Basically going to cut it to size and put 2 strips on the back. There already is actually amber LEDs on the back of the bike, but they're weather damaged, so probably due to be replaced. I'm going to put some on the side of the long bike. That way people can see me from the side. Anyway, let's hook it up to a 12-volt source and see how amber they really are. That's not bad. You know, they're bright but not super bright. Oh, cool. Oh, I don't know if I like that. I was hoping it was a solid color because, for one thing, I don't think you can change anything. Well, that kind of sucks. I think this is going to be a video where I'm going to mod it so it stays one solid color. This is stupid. I don't want this. How many patterns does this bloody thing have? Well, that sucks. Didn't go into great detail about this. I thought it was just solid. This is definitely not what I'm looking for. Just stay like that. Oh man, come on, give me a break. How many freaking patterns does this thing have? Yeah, I'm not putting that on the bike like that. That's stupid. That attracts way too much attention. Probably have someone try and hit me. Alright, well I guess what we're going to do is we're going to find where the chip is and see if we can't kill it or short it out or remove it and just wire the LED straight. That sucks. Doesn't even say anything like that on the box. Alright. Like right there, it's fine. What's going on? Why is it not doing anything now? Is it only when I touch the wire? Oh, okay, it's just looping. There it goes. That's kind of cool. Except it doesn't stay like that. There's no way to control it, so... Anyway, let me have a look at it and see if we can't modify it. Now there is some, looks like chips underneath the shrink wrap. We'll just cut that away and see what we get. Like if it came with a remote, that would be cool. I'd be happy with that because then I can just leave it where I want. But the fact that you can't change anything. Good for bicycles and vehicles. Give me a break, guys. Seriously. There we go. Up with your head. So at least the chip isn't potted, which is good. It'd be nice if we just shorted pin out and it just magically does something different. Let me take a look at it. Okay, well, I've probably gone a little bit further than most people would do. The lights on the back of the bike are pretty much this big anyway, so I ended up cutting it. The chip, no matter what you do, No matter what pin you try and short out, you cannot get it to stop flashing. Yeah, it's pretty robust. Anyway, I removed the pin. You can heat it up and just flick it off. The back, which I overheated and destroyed the solder pins, so use a low heat on this. But the top one, the positive was on the end, and then I just grounded it out, or positive it out all the way across, and I got about the whole string was lit except for the middle. The middle was the back of the chip here, which I melted the pin solder mask off. So yeah, the two backlights on the bike will be like that, and maybe the side ones I'll leave flashing. I don't know, but if you're not into the flashing thing, these definitely are not for you. But I learned a lot from this one here, so the next one will be a little bit cleaner. Obviously, I'm not going to destroy the pads, and I'll be able to quickly short them and get a whole string working. So it seems to be alright. We'll see. Well, I actually did a little bit of research, and I actually found ones you can buy that don't have the flashing function. I mean, if you're into that, I'd say pick these ones up. I'll leave a link in the description. But if you want them solid color without modifying them, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. Like I said, for the other one there, I just basically took the chip right off the die, right off the LED strip itself, and bridged some of the pads. This one here I already cut it to size, make it easier to modify, hopefully. I like to do it without removing anything. But I'm not going to do it to the rest of them. The rest of them are going to find another use for them. I'm just going to spend the $15 and buy another set, since I screwed up on this one. Just going to peel away the waterproofing, soft rubber. I went and turned my iron down. Hopefully I can take this off without having a total meltdown. Try it anyway. Let's just set this one up. And we'll see what is. If there was a, like, since I cut it, maybe I can bridge it just from the chip itself. There it is there. Cool, but I don't want to do that. Ooh! Cool, magic smoke came out. Maybe it'll fry like that. Well, it's staying on. Why is it saying 400? I thought to turn this down to 3. Now I'll try 315. Okay, we're going to try and remove the chip. There we go. The only reason it's easier is because the backing is flimsy, obviously. and the chip comes off nice and neat. Alright. Power it up and feel around, see what we can get. Cool. Okay, we're at 315. Hopefully don't melt the traces right off the LED. Okay. And then we'll solder on a piece of wire. Okay, this is too low. Let's try 360. Almost got it there. I know this looks kind of crude, guys, but I don't feel like going all in and doing it professional like, and just screwing around here, which is actually kind of working out pretty good. Okay, so what we're going to do is go off the first pin, which is your 12 volts. It's half of it. Here we go. It's that easy. And there's another one. And then what I'll do is I'll just hold that up like that. And actually the seal, I'm not going to put any shrink wrap on it. I'm just going to use some of this goop. This dries as a rubber. I'll keep the water out of it. There. So I'll just put these on the back of the bike and we're good to go. Well, for now, I'll order up the other ones and we'll do the side of my the bike, which I really needed it for. But the ones in the back, like I said, were fading as it was, so I'm trying both. There we go. Good enough. Actually, we're going to just do that. Maybe not. This one's going to need some attention. It's still got 2 lights going out. But you get the idea. It's not exactly what I wanted, but you can modify it to get them to do what you want. Take it easy, guys. I'll do another video when I throw another bike and show it to you. That's the before and after.